All right, we got 35 laps on Orion last Sunday. Today we're gonna try for 40. This is lap number 1. All right, this will be lap number 2. All right, we just got done with lap number 3, and here comes number 4. We are kicking laps off pretty quickly today. This will be lap number 7 already. We are taking a hydration break. We've got 8 laps in on Orion so far. And we had to do a little emergency eyeglass repair, didn't we?
Yep.
My glasses broke a little bit in my pocket on that last ride. Usually I wear contacts, but at the moment I'm out of contacts, so glasses are my only choice. Glasses are not a good thing on roller coasters. They get smashed in my pocket or they fall off if I wear them. So, lap 9. This will be lap number 13. There's Tom up there. That guy has checked our restraints on quite a few different roller coasters. He was working on New Year's Eve last year when we got the last train of the year on Mystic. Oh yeah, lap number 16 now. 16. Lap number 17. At the moment we've got a brief delay. They were getting out the garden hose, so it's probably safe to assume guest illness. Although they're closing trains down periodically for sterilization, but we haven't seen them use a hose for that just yet, so guest illness. Hey Mackenzie, where are we riding this one?
Front row.
Front row. This is our 18th lap today, and it's our first today in front row. Lap number 19. Mackenzie, how many rides we have so far?
22.
Yep, we've done 22 laps on Orion so far today. That gets us a few ahead of last weekend's pace. But Mackenzie's hungry, I'm hungry. Where would you like to eat?
You could do Coney Barbecue or Skyline.
Coney Barbecue or Skyline? Well, let's think about that while we walk.
Because they're both really good.
We'll be back after lunch, Orion. All right, lunch break is over. Time to get back to Orion. This will be lap number 23 of today. Lap number 26, and we're gonna have front row again.
You'll be fine.
This is lap number 27. Lap number 27. Lap number 28.
Prototype of trains for 20 years.
Lap number 29. Well, Orion kind of broke down on us again, and we're kind of hot. So we're standing on the bridge over here by Congo Falls.
All right, here it comes.
And we're gonna get soaked here. Kids, you're not even wet hardly. I'm soaked. Well, Orion is still down at the moment. They are testing though, so we've got some hope that they're going to open back up. In the meantime, we're just standing here watching trains run. That drop is magnificent. It's a decent amount of chatter though coming out of the dive right about there before you start up into that wave turn. Kind of almost jackhammers. The ride's only a month old and there's already some rough patches in it. Coming down out of there too, out of the turnaround into the two airtime hills. Same way. A little bit of roughness. All in all though, that's a pretty easy ride to Marathon. There's not really a good vantage point in the park to shoot footage of the thing. This is about all you've got. It's a short ride. And into the brakes already. Well, Mackenzie, what ride are we on now? Lap number 32 of the day. Front row again. Lap number 33, front row again. Someone is being non-compliant and got security called on them. I don't understand why people can't just follow the stinking rules. Well, it's 5:45, and this will be lap number 35. So this lap will equal our Sunday from last week. Lap 35. Well, that was our 35th ride on Orion for today. That's 2 Sundays in a row that we've done 35 on it. So we're gonna do one more to get us to 36, and that'll be our highest ride count we've ever done again.
Yep.
2 Sundays in a row we've broke that mark. So Orion, I have mixed feelings on this thing. I love that drop. That drop's awesome. But there's a couple places that the track's just kind of rough,
Yeah.
don't you think?
Already, it's only a month old.
Yeah.
A little over.
Pulling out of the first dive, pulling out of the wave turn, it hammers you a little bit. It reminds me almost of Banshee,
Yeah.
but it's a B&M rattle. So
A lot of B&Ms have it.
there are quite a few B&Ms that we've ridden that have that. This thing, it just surprises me that it rattles like that with it being brand new.
Yeah.
But it's still a good ride. So let's go get our last one of the day, and then we need to be heading home.
Yep.
All right. Well, Mackenzie, I'm about done for the day. I'm pretty wore out, considering I've got a 3-hour drive to get home. How many laps do we get today?
36.
We got 36 laps on Orion today. So that beats our previous mark by 1. So over the course of the last 2 Sundays, we've gotten 71 rides on Orion. So that's quite a haul.
Yeah, it is.
So we're gonna head home now, but once again, great day at Kings Island. Very glad we came here instead of going to Cedar Point. How about you?
Yep.
I
No
think,
offense to Cedar Point, though.
yeah, no offense to Cedar Point, but this year Kings Island's been taking really good care of us. So, till next time, eat, sleep, roller coaster, repeat. We're out.